All right, good evening, my YouTube family and friends. Good evening, my powerful people. Um, so today I noticed that I noticed one of you, my YouTube families, you wanted to do a video. You uploaded the video. One video talked about what it was you're going to show, and then you did a second video with what you wanted to show. The problem with that is beautiful video. I was able to watch both pieces. But let us remember that when we do videos in YouTube land, that they don't always stay together. And so I thought, I said, oh my goodness, here's somebody, she's new to you, not new, but she's finally just now investing more time in YouTube. She has her channel, she's doing her journeys and so on and so forth. And she did the videos, but she should have connected the videos so that they stay together. So when I saw that, I said, you know what, I've tried to help people who need help and support on this journey, because I was given help as well. I received support, and so I have no problems helping. So one of the things that we have to remember when we do our videos, they're stored at a place we call in the gallery, in our gallery. The gallery on your computer screen is this little flower right here. It says gallery. It's right here. It says gallery. So when you do your videos, they go right in there. One of the tools you can use to do your videos is CapCut. So you have to download the app. There it is, CapCut. When you do CapCut and you have your videos stored in, when you go in, it's going to ask you for your projects, right? What project is it that you're going to do? I'm not sure what all these are on my thing. These are all videos. These are pictures. But when you go into your gallery, you have all these things stored in it. All your WhatsApp things that people sent and wish you, happy Sabbath, all of that, all of your videos that you do. So if you have a video, you want to do a project, all right. So now let me look at something that I could just capture to make. Okay, so here I have two videos I've done already. I have this one with Kayla out in the backyard. So I would click on it, right? And I would click on this one again. So those two I'm going to be using for my video, because those are pieces I'm putting together to make one video. See that? I click on both, so they're blue. When you come down here on your CapCut, right? When you come down here on your CapCut, it shows you how many that I selected. I selected 2, and it tells you right here, it says add 2. So I'm going to click on this right here because I'm adding these 2. It will take those 2 videos to create your project, right? Now I'm going to do export, and what the export does, it's going to make them into one video for you. And so it takes a while for that to upload. But remember, you're going to go to CapCut, download the app, look for the app in the store, and download it onto your phone, on your phone. I'm just showing you how it's done here. It's not so nice and sharp and pretty, but this is the best I can do. I'm no expert. I'm just giving you an idea. Once you get the first one, you can practice with different little things, see how you can put them together. There's a lot you can do in CapCut, and you can sit and try to do them on your own time. You can add sound to your videos. You can do still videos and add sounds to it. You can record something and then use it to cover the entire video. But those are things that you have to learn on your own time, because for me it's a little bit harder. When we did the soup kitchen, and because I wasn't there, when Bev Brown would cook, Life with Bev Brown would cook meals, and in order for me to get a chance to post some of it on my channel, she would just do the videos, and then I would talk about it, or I would create something and upload the videos, and then drag whatever I have to say across the entire video, and that would allow it to me to have the pictures and then the conversation I'm having regarding the people who are getting fed, and etc., etc. So this, you see, it's exporting without a watermark. That's something new. I never had that before, but I think soon they're going to be putting a watermark on the videos. I have to see why that is. Usually I do them directly on my phone. I do my videotaping on my phone. I upload the videos on my phone. And so when I do that, this is my first time uploading a video on the tablet. But I do have a subscription on my phone itself from CapCut. So I am able to use their professional things, which I'm not really using. I just upload the select the videos from my gallery, where the videos are automatically stored. And because I'm combining two videos, then I come in and then I select them, I export them, and they become one video. And then when it's finished, I can then share the video on. I select YouTube to share the video, and then I'm able now to put a title on the video and select my things, not for kids, to go to advanced setting and monetize the video, or wait until it's uploaded and then I can go in and edit and monetize the video. Right now I'm just showing you how CapCut can help you to make your two small videos into one big video. So for my sister Margaret Smith, today you did a video about the snow. You were telling us it came again, and you did a little intro, you did a conversation, and then you had all that heap of snow that came back, but they were not connected. They were two separate videos, even though they were supposed to be one. So I just thought, maybe I should just do this little tutorial as to how to make your videos one using CapCut, and it's uploading, and so it's at 31%. So it's gonna sit there and upload because they're two big videos. So it will take a while, and then once it's fully uploaded, it will get to 100%, and it will take a second, and then you're going to have one video, and it will tell you to. Once this is finished, it's going to close. The screen will close, and now it will show you the video and ask you where you want to share the video, and you click YouTube, the YouTube logo. And once you click that, it will send you now to start setting up the video. To give it the title, and then go on to select your audience and stuff like that. And then that's it. Once it's done, it's going to be one video, everything will be one. So I don't think I'm going to wait for it to get to 100, because this is just 40%. and I don't want this to be too long for you to see. But you try it, and then you will see. If you have any questions, please email me, msbevsproductions@gmail.com. My email is in the descriptions. If you need support support using this app to make your life easier, so you can go out and take your little video and then put them together. You just have to remember which one you did first, which one is second, because when you're lining up your videos, you have to know which one to put first on the CapCut. So if you did like 4 videos, you have to remember which one you want to go first, which one you want to go second, which one. And the way you want them to go, that's the way you have to check them in your gallery. When you go into your gallery, you have 6 pieces. You have to, the one you want first, the one you want to show your audience first, you're going to click that one first. The next one that comes after that piece, you click it next. You click them in order, because when you do the exporting, they will be in order. If you just go and say I want these 3 and you just click them, the way you click them is the way they're going to be represented on your video. So when you're selecting in your gallery, you have to select them in order, so that they will create the video in order. Okay? So I'm going to end this video here. Hope you got the idea. Hope I was as clear as I could. Make it a great evening by choice. Remember to like the video, and if it's helpful for you, please let me know in the comments. Please subscribe to the channel and keep on supporting Miss Bev as we go forward. Remember, we're still looking donations for the scholarship fund. We want to support these children. We want to support them. If we get enough that we could give them 20,000. You're talking Jamaican dollars, guys. You know Jamaican dollars. That's how you have to talk down into thousands. So please, if you can help, if we can get to our goal, guys, please help them. Help these parents, help their children to do well. Don't let them have to not go to a good high school because the parents cannot afford to even start them off with the right books that they need. Please help us help them.